The remainder when 2 power 256 is divided by 17. Here 2 power 256 can be written as 2 power 4 whole power 64. That is equal to 16 power 64. 16 power 64. 16 power 64 minus 1 power 64 is divisible by 16 plus 1. The reason is, suppose x power n minus a power n is divisible by x plus a when n is even. When n is even, x power n minus a power n is divisible by x plus a when n is even. Here 16 power 64 minus 1 power 64. 16 power 64 minus 1 power 64 is in the form of x power n minus a power n. 16 power 64 minus 1 is divisible by x plus a minus x plus a here means 17. Therefore, on dividing 2 power 256 by 17, we get the remainder 1. Therefore, the option is B. What is the remainder here? 1. Certain number when divided by 899 gives a remainder 63. What is the remainder when the same number is divided by 29? Here, according to the division algorithm, Euclid's division algorithm, A is equal to BQ plus R. A is equal to BQ plus R. Using that algorithm, suppose the number is x. When x is divided by 899, let the quotient be q and the remainder is given to be 63. So the quotient is q. Therefore, on applying this algorithm here, x is equal to 899 cube plus 63. 899 can be written as 29 into 31 into cube plus 63. 29 2s are 58 plus 5. 29 into 2 plus 5. So what can be taken as the common factor here? 29. 29 into 31q. 31q plus 2 plus 5. So 29 into 31 cube plus 2 plus 5. So it is in the form of A is equal to BQ plus R. X is equal to BQ plus. So when it is divided by 29, what is the remainder here? 5. If log 2 base 10 is equal to 0.3010, then the number of digits in 4 power 2013 is dash. Let x is equal to 4 power 2013. On applying logarithm both sides, log x is equal to log 4 power 2013. So 2013 into log 4. 2013 into log 4. Log 4 can be written as log 2 square. Therefore, log a power m is equal to m log a. Therefore, 4 power 4026 into log 2. That is equal to 4026 into log 2 is equal to 0.3010. So, which when multiplied by 4026, we will get 1211.826. So, the here 1211 plus 1, 1212 digits are there. So, B is the option. Move on to the next question. if log 216 to the base root 6 is equal to x, then x is equal to dash. So when this logarithmic form is expressed in exponential form, root 6 whole power x is equal to 216. Therefore 6 power x by 2 is equal to 6 cube. Whenever bases are equal, powers are equal. Therefore x by 2 is equal to 3, x is equal to 6. What is the value of x here? 6. Let's go through the next question. The traffic signals at 3 different crossings change after 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds respectively. If they all change simultaneously at 8:20, then at what time will they change simultaneously? So, in order to find the time at which they will change simultaneously, we have to find out the LCM of 48, 72 and 108. So, LCM of 48, 72 and 108 is 432 seconds. 432 seconds, when we change it into minutes, 7 minutes 12 seconds. 7 minutes 12 seconds. So 820 plus 7 minutes 12 seconds is equal to 8 hours 27 minutes 12 seconds. So what is the option here? 820 plus 7 minutes 12 seconds. 8 hours 27 minutes 12 seconds. So what is the option here? 8 hours 27 minutes 12 seconds. B is the option. Now let's move on to the next question. Which of the following is a prime number? P is a number and n is the least number such that n square greater than p. P is not divisible by any prime number less than or equal to n. Then a p is a prime number. According to the given condition here, 115 and 119 are divisible by 7, but 127 is not divisible by any prime number less than this. Therefore, 127 is a prime number. Divided by 114 leaves the remainder 20. If the same number is divided by 19, the remainder is. According to the division algorithm, x is equal to bq plus r, we can write x is equal to 19 into 16q plus 1 plus 2. It is clear that the remainder here is 2. So what is the option here? 2. Let's go through one more important and interesting question. If a swarm of bees settled on the flowers in equal number, one honeybee was left out. If they settled on 3 flowers in equal number, 2 bees were left out. And when they settled on 4 flowers, 3 were left out. When they settled on 5 flowers, no honeybee was left out. If there are maximum of 50 bees in the swarm, how many honeybees were there in the swarm exactly? According to the given condition, once we apply the division algorithm for the given data, when they settled on 2 flowers, number of honeybees x is equal to 2a plus 1, because 1 is left out, remainder is 1. When they settle on 3 flowers, x is equal to 3b plus 2. When they settle on 4 flowers, x is equal to 4c plus 3. When they settle on 5 flowers, 5x is equal to 5d plus 0. On the fourth condition, x is a multiple of 5 because remainder is 0. If the remainder is 0, the number of honeybees could be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 or 45. From the first condition, x is an odd number. Therefore, we can say this could be 5 or 15 or 25 or 35 or 45. From second condition, when divided by 3, remainder is 2. Therefore, 5 or 35. When they settled on 4 flowers, 3 were left over. Therefore, x must be 35. Therefore, the number of bees in the swarm must be 35. Thank you very much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel Srinivas SR Chaganti to get the continuous update.